Hello everybody, this is Monster of Tech here, back with another video. And today's video is just a really quick unboxing of the new 2018 MacBook Pro. So, I have been talking a lot about the 2018 MacBook Pro in my recent videos, so I decided I'd give it a test out. So I went to the Apple Store, and I picked it up. So this is the second tier one of the 2018, so same unboxing experience as the last 2017 MacBook Pro, and I'd assume the 2016. So I got the $27.99 variant. So yeah, you just take the paper off, and it's really good, and boots up the same with in the same power adapter. Same paperwork, except it has like High Sierra on it. Mine had Sierra on it, and you get the USB-C cable. So that's all you get with it, exact same as the last generation, and it looks same great design. So I'm going to test this out later. So in the meantime, this has been a Monster of Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.